the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here I am going to show you the government jobs. Those are announced by the National Board of Examinations. So it is autonomous body under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So here the opportunities are there for the any graduation and +2 also. So coming to the important dates, the date of eligibility is 31st July 2020, and the opening date for application is 11th July 2020, and the closing date for submission of application form is 31st July 2020, and the date of exam is on 31st August 2020. So these are the important dates. And coming to the section 1, here in this table, the name of the post, pay matrix, and the number of vacancies and the eligibility conditions are also provided. So coming to the senior assistant, it is a level 7 matrix, number of posts are 18, and the age must be below 27, and educational qualifications are required or degree from recognized university or board to qualify examination as may be prescribed by the NBE. And next post is a junior assistant, it is a level 2, the total 57 number of vacancies are there. The age limit is below 27 years, and the qualifications required are passed senior secondary examination from a recognized board or university, or recognized by the central or state government, UT administration or education authority, and proficiency in the use of computers and basic software packages such as Windows network operating systems, LAN architecture. And next one is junior accountant, it is a level 4 pay matrix. The total number of vacancies are 7, and here also the age limit is 27, and education qualifications required are bachelor's degree with maths or statistics or a degree in commerce from a recognized university. The desirable qualifications are 3 years experience in dealing with accounts in some government institutions with knowledge of computer based accounting. Next one is stenographer, it is a level 2 pay matrix, and a total 8 number of vacancies are there. Here also the age limit is same, and the educational qualifications required are senior secondary, that is just 12th class, that is 10 plus 2, and other qualifications, stenographer skill with 80/30 WPM in shorthand typing. Candidates will require to appear in the test in general English or shorthand and typing to be conducted by the board, and the desirable experience qualifications are 2 years experience as steno in government PSU autonomous body and ability of work processing on computer. Fine. So these are all the things, and the number of vacancies are tentative and may increase or decrease, withdrawn without prior notice. And here you can check down, these vacancies are split up into based upon the caste category, that you can check down here. So these are all the details, and so age relaxation and the mode of selection. The mode of selection will be based upon the written test. So to qualify the exam, or as may be prescribed by the NBA, you will require to register yourself for appearing in the CBT to be conducted by TCS on 31st August 2020. For this purpose, you have to access the website of TCS, whose link is indicated below, which will take you to their website in which you can register yourself. Based on the CBT list of shortlisted candidates will prepare for each category of post or grade, who will called for a further skill test to be arranged by the NBE on 29/9/2020. The eligibility of the candidates with reference to the eligibility conditions like educational qualification, age limit, etc., as prescribed in the recruitment rules for the post will be scrutinized only of the shortlisted candidates. Clear, guys? And these are all the things. So for more accurate and all the details, see here the registration link is kept in this one, So if you click on the registration, then you will be directed to the next website where you can able to register. Fine. So it is a window that you have to register, guys. So in this one, you can able to enter all the details clearly. It is a National Board of Examination. Link to published on NBE website, and the registration is for advertisement. I mean that you can apply for only one post with the generated registration ID. If you apply for more than one post using same ID, your candidature will be cancelled. And these are all the registration details that you have to enter here. Fine. So for more details, anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. For accurate and more details, please check the description box of this video and click on the provided link. Then you will be directed to this notification. And share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.